Here's a simple hack to help you win in a multiple offer situation. Make a like cash offer. We all know the benefits of a cash offer from the seller's perspective. However, it's not feasible for most buyers to pay cash. Let me show you 3 ways you can make a like cash offer. Number 1, our Same as Cash loan program. Some mortgage companies like us have created a loan program that mimics a cash offer for your clients. This provides all the benefits a seller wants to see of a cash offer. Number 2, private or portfolio financing. There are certain lending groups that specialize in short-term, unique financing. This helps you to obtain the capital to make a cash offer. And number 3, borrow from family. Oftentimes, family can lend funds up front to help with a cash offer. In all options, remember, as soon as you close a light cash offer, you can simply refinance, or any lender can help you to jump into normal traditional financing terms. This is allowing you to pay back the original source of funds. And in the end, not only do you win the offer, you still get the same loan as any normal purchase.